Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to transfer freehand software from one computer to another. And this will be the same for AccuRIP Emerald and Separation Studio Next on both Mac and Windows. Let's go ahead and get started. So if you still have access to the computer that you want to deactivate, you're going to go inside of the account option at the top. Then you want to click on Log Out. Next, on the computer that you want to move the software to, you want to install the software, open it up, and then log in with your Freehand License Manager account. Now, you're ready to go. Now, if you do not have access to the computer that you want to deactivate, you want to head over to licensing.solutionsforscreenprinters.com. Then you want to log in with your account. Then you want to sign out of the previous computer from the dashboard. So in my case, we're going to sign out here. And now we can log in on the new computer. Happy printing.